Did the modular approach of doing a test every module, uh,
Right.
is it motivating, or do you like to go through that exam methodology of ACCA where you study all 18 modules on one fine day?
Right. So I think that modular approach is quite beneficial, and it encourages the student, because by it is like a step-by-step basis or step-by-step approach, wherein one is able to finish one module and check if they are having the sufficient knowledge. If yes, they can go to the next module. Otherwise, they'll revisit and rectify their defects. So I think that is an effective approach. The problem with completing all the modules and then sitting for the final exam is that it becomes overwhelming for the student as well. Like, they don't know if they are strong over one concept or not. But this approach, wherein we finish a module and give a test immediately, get the results, and then moving on to the next module, is quite effective. I must say at this point that initially when I saw that 18 modules are there in this course, I was a bit unsure or doubtful of whether would I be able to finish it in time. But definitely the way in which the notes are presented along with the self-explanatory videos and case scenarios, so those things really helped me to finish. So yeah, I think the modular approach was quite comfortable and effective.